It is time for a sustainable energy policy which puts consumers, the environment, human health, and peace first. The future is green energy, sustainability, renewable energy. The nation that leads in renewable energy will be the nation that leads the world. Akshay Urja Divas is celebrated on 20th of August since 2004 by Government of India, which marks the birth anniversary of our former President Rajiv Gandhi.
Indian Akshay Urja Day, or it is also called Renewable Energy Day. So let us begin. Indian Akshay Urja Day or Renewable Energy Day is observed on 20th of August every year. To mark the birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi, this day was observed first time on 20th of August 2004. The day is observed to increase awareness about the importance of renewable energy among the people who do not know much about it, and also to mark the importance of renewable energy resources in India. It is really very important to promote awareness about renewable resources among people who are unaware of the subject. Government promotes innovation to adopt renewable energy sources to produce power for the electricity grid and other applications. Solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectrical power are few examples of Akshay Urja. The use of renewable energy sources will also prevent any damage to life and environment. Renewable sources have the advantage of being renewable forever, hence, they can be used without the fear of depletion. Renewable energy investments are cost effective. Another advantage of using renewable sources is the reduction of air and water pollution, because the energy that we are getting naturally doesn't have any side effect on environment. If we will use natural energy more, we can use the traditional energy for longer period of time. I would request everyone, please save energy and try to use natural energy more, and also make others learn about renewable sources of energy.
Solar energy. Going solar is the most practical renewable energy option for homeowners. You can connect photovoltaic solar panels to your roof and adjust the size of your system depending on the amount of energy your home needs. Wind energy. Wind energy is a bit tricky. You need a large enough plot of land, substantial wind in your area, and the ability to pay for the high cost of installation. It can be practical if you live on a farm and generate enough wind power that can then be sold to utility companies. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is perhaps the most untapped renewable source. Geothermal power works by using geothermal heat pumps to use the heat from the Earth's core to generate electricity. Geothermal energy can most easily be used in areas with very active tectonic plates and volcano activity, such as Iceland or the west coast of the US. Hydropower. You can think of hydropower in a simple way by imagining old water wheels that were used to power flour mills. Now they are much larger and much more sophisticated hydroelectric power generators. Bioenergy. Bioenergy is a blanket term for energy sources that are derived from plant material. For example, corn can be used to create ethanol, a type of biofuel which is then used for car or aeroplane fuel.